Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about letter K. This is letter K. Do you know what K sounds? K sounds K. Come on, repeat with me. K sounds K. Now I am going to tell you how to write letter K. Make a standing line. Come to the middle, slant up and slant down. K. Once again, make a standing line, come to the middle, slant up and slant down. K. K says K. K. Cuckoo loves to fly kites. He has 3 pets, the kangaroo, the kitten and the koala bear. One day, Cuckoo was playing with the kitten, but she was very sad. Cuckoo was worried about the kitten. He went to the king and said that kitten is always sad. The king gives him a golden key and said, "Give this to kitten." Cuckoo gave the golden key to kitten. She was very happy and they were playing with that key. Let's recap. Koala bear, kite, king, key, kangaroo, kitten.